It's a stormy, wintry day. The wind is fiercely blowing outside. It's too cold to go out and play. This dude is definitely not going outside. I'll stay in and build a fire, stay warm within its heat. Curled up in my recliner chair, sip hot cocoa semi-sweet. No pet to curl beside me, my lover's not around. I'm glad I love my own company, especially when I am home dove. The news is far too heavy, no movie's worth a view. So I'll start to write a song and sing it to myself and to you. I'm singing to the birds, just flying up above. Singing to the world, just spreading all my love. Singing to my love, whose heart with mine belongs. Filling up my soul, the muse for all my songs. The windows now are shaking, the crows don't give a damn. They ride the wind like surfboards and dance to their own jam. I watch them in bewilderment, even as the falling snow gets worse. I wonder how they stay warm while I'm writing my next verse. I'm singing to the birds, just flying up above. Singing to the world, just spreading all my love. Singing to my love, whose heart with mine belongs. Filling up my soul, the muse for all my songs. Nature doesn't stop, it keeps moving as we go. You can complain all you want, or just be like the crow. Spread your wings and glide, take part, enjoy the ride. Life is what you make of it, feel your love inside. The crackling of the fire, the dancing of the blaze, the wonders of the universe all gathered to amaze. As the weather wallows outside, I remain inside, safe and warm, and finish up my song to sing for you in form. I'm singing to the birds, just flying up above. Singing to the world, just spreading all my love. Singing to my love, whose heart with mine belongs. Filling up my soul, the muse for all my songs. I'm singing to the birds, just flying up above. Singing to the world, just spreading